Hello my dear students, in this video we are going to study friend function. We know that private and protected data members cannot be accessed outside the class definition. That is, non-member function cannot be able to access these member types outside of the class definitions. But there could be a situation where the two classes must share a common function. C++ allows the common function to share between two classes by making that particular function as a friend function. A friend function is a non-member function which has got access to both private and protected members of the class, and friend function can be declared using the keyword friend, and it can be defined outside the class definition without the keyword friend. Now let us take the syntax. Here you can see class name, curly open brace, and then we are going to write public colon friend, and then we are going to write void name of the function and empty parenthesis semicolon, then curly closing brace, put semicolon. Now we'll see a programming example that performs the average of two numbers. For that I will take you to my laptop screen. Here you can see I've already written a single line comment, friend function example number 1 hash include iostream.h hash include conio.h. Now we are going to define a class, that is name it as base, then curly open brace. Here we are going to declare two variables under the data members, that is under the private section. Now we'll write public access specifier to define the function members. So void get data is the function which we are going to define it here to receive the values from the user. So here we are going to write enter two values, then cin A and B curly closing brace, and now we are going to declare a friend function with the keyword friend. Then float is the return type, mean is the name of the function, and base is the name of the class, and OB is the object of this particular class, and put semicolon. So this indicates it's a declaration of a friend function. So next curly closing brace and put semicolon. So this indicates it's a termination point of a class. Now we are going to define this particular function, that is friend function, outside the class definition. So that is, here we are going to use float, and you can note that we are not going to use the keyword friend whenever we want to define a friend function. So here we will write mean, then inside the round brace we are going to write base, and OB is the object. So here we will use curly open brace, then return float, because we want floating type of data. Here we have used OB as object. It is possible for us to access the data members outside the class definition with the help of object of that particular class. So hence we are using OB, then dot A plus OB dot B and whole divided by 2, because we want to get the mean of these two numbers. Now curly closing brace. Now we are going to define a main function to create the object of the class base. So here we will write name of the class as base, and B is the object of this particular class. Now with the help of B dot, we are going to access get data. So we will write here get data, and here you can see I have not written get, so make it get data. Then we are going to write cout statement. Here I want to display the mean equal to insertion operator, and here I'm going to use name of the function, that is mean, and inside the round bracket I'm going to pass b as the argument. Then get ch, put semicolon, curly closing brace. Now in order to check whether there are any syntax error or not, we have to press Alt F9 to compile the program. Now it is showing success, there is no syntactical error. So press enter. Now press Ctrl F9 to execute the program. Now you can see it is asking you to enter two values. Now I'm going to enter 2 and now I'm going to enter 3. So here you can see mean is equal to 2.5. Now let us study the characteristics or features of a friend function. 1. A friend function, although not a member function, has full access right to the private and protected members of the class. 2. A friend function cannot be called using the object of that class. It can be invoked like any normal function. 3. Friend function is declared by the class that is granting access. The friend declaration can be placed anywhere in the class declaration and it is not affected by the member access specifiers such as public, private and protected. 4. They are normal external functions that are given special access privileges. 5. It cannot access the member variables directly and has to use an object name dot member name. 6. The function is declared with keyword friend, but while defining friend function, it does not use either keyword friend or scope resolution operator. Now let us take one more example that performs addition of two numbers using friend function. Here you can see I've already written in a single line comment, that is friend function example number 2 hash include iostream.h hash include conio.h. Now we are going to define a class called my class curly open brace, and here we are going to declare two variables under the data members. Now we'll write public member functions. So here we'll write void get data, declare and declare friend function. So int add, here you can see my class is the name of the class and obj is the object which is passing as argument to this particular function. So both of these two are declared inside the class definition. So curly closing brace and semicolon indicates this is the termination point of the class definition. Now we are going to define both of these two member functions outside the class definition. So let us continue with the first one, that is void. Here we'll write my class, that is name of the class, and then scope resolution operator. Then we are going to write get data, and inside the round bracket I'm going to pass int I and int j, that is two argument, curly open brace, and here I'm going to initialize a is equal to I and b is equal to j, curly closing brace, and then we are going to define a friend function without the keyword friend. Now you can see here I'm going to write the return type int and add, and inside the round brace I'm going to write my class and obj is the object. Next curly open brace, and here we are going to return because it is returning integer type of data to the function. Now we'll write here obj dot a plus obj dot b because we are performing addition of these two numbers. Now we are going to define a main function, so that is void main curly open brace, and then here I'll write my class and we are going to create the object of this particular class. Now I'll access the first member function object dot get data, and inside the round braces I'm going to pass two numbers. For example, I'll enter 3 and then 6, put semicolon, then cout. Here I want to print the sum of these two numbers. So sum of 3 and 6 is equal to, here in a double less than symbol insertion operator, then we'll write add, then we are going to pass object as argument, and then we'll write get ch, put semicolon, curly brace. Now you can see program is completed. Now we are going to check for errors by pressing Alt F9. So compilation errors are there. So first error we got, that is my class get data. Here we did not pass arguments. Now here you can see we have to pass two arguments, that is int I comma int j. Now compile once again. Errors, so statement is missing. Here you need to put semicolon. Yes, Alt F9, success, there is no error. Next press Ctrl F9 to run the program. Now you can see sum of 3 and 6 is equal to 9. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you in the next video.